Bad cube garage, camera in hand, heading west across this Holden land. Tripod packed and the drone in tow, gotta film the rides that steal the show. From Queensland heat to Abaway skies, chasing that gleam where the chrome lines rise through towns and dust with a videographer's eye, capturing stories that'll never die.
Alright, welcome back to BadQ Garage. We're at the FE FC Nationals here in WA. It's a beautiful day today. People have flocked from all over Australia to come down here to WA. I know someone personally from Canberra that's brought theirs down, and yeah, let's go have a walk around, check it all out. Some amazing classics here. There's some really beautiful cars. So sit back, relax and enjoy. And if you like the video, give it a thumbs up please, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Thanks very much for the support. Let's get into it.
Cause it's FE and FC, history on wheels. From the roars of the past to the way it feels. They came from Tassie, Top End and the East, to way, way west for the Holden feast. And BadQ's lens caught it all that day. Legends and love in the Holden way. There's an old bloke polishing his 58, says built it with dad, ain't she great? Families cruising in two-tone dreams with paint that pops and red hot beams. Kids with wide eyes, tradies with pride, every car's got a story inside. And BadQ's there, telling it true, frame by frame with a cinematic view. Yeah, it's FE and FC, the Aussie soul. From bonnet badges to steel and roll, they came from Melbourne, Broome and the scrub. The talk shop showed shine and hit the pub. And BadQ caught every burnout and cheer, holding hearts loud and crystal clear. Sunset shots with the Perth coast glow, silhouettes of classics in a perfect row. Slow pans on badges, chrome caps bright, pus in mind, it's gonna cut just right. Back at camp with the firelight hum, BadQ's reviewing the day that's done. From convoy rollings to the engine revs, to the hands that built them in old sheds. No awards needed, the footage speaks in every frame, those Holden peaks. This ain't just film, it's a tribute roll to a car, a crew, and an Aussie soul. So here's to the FE, the proud FC, to the ones who drove across land and sea, to the blokes and the Sheilas, the young and old, in cars built tough and stories bold. And here's to BadQ with the final say, capturing legends the Holden way. Yeah, the reels keep rolling, but the heart stays here at the Nationals, mate. See you next year.
Engines roar beneath the sun, FC Holden on the run, FE shining sleek and strong. This is where we all belong. Burning rubber, steel and time, revving hearts take flight. Crowds erupt as tires scream. Chrome reflections catch the gleam. Legends forge with every lap. In those engines, hear the clap. Burning rubber, steel and time. Revved hearts in every climb. Holden nationals, we ignite. Speed and pride, the tracks take flight. Underneath the stars so bright, vinyl seats that grip so tight. FC FE engines never tire, fueled by love and burning fire. Burning rubber, steel and time. Revving hearts in every climb. Holden nationals, we ignite. Speed and pride, the tracks take flight. Well, I fired up the FE, chrome gleaming in the sun. She's a real Aussie legend, yeah, second to none. Twin-tone paint and the bench seat wide, rolling down the highway with that Holden pride. Oh, we're cruising to the west, where the classics ride free. To the Holden Nationals, where you're meant to be. From Perth to Kalgoorlie, through the red dirt haze, it's the FEFC spirit lighting up the way days. Then I saw an FC, all dressed in blue, restored to perfection like the day it was new. She purred like a kitten with a red motor growl, gave a nod to the driver, he returned with a howl. Chrome caps gleam, paint jobs shine, every Holden's got a story in the white sunshine. From old school rev heads to the young guns keen, it's history in motion, the best you've ever seen. Yeah, we're cruising to the west, down that great Aussie line, where the engines roar loud and the classics still shine. Map. It's a Holden celebration, mate, nothing beats that. Yeah, we're cruising to the west, down that great Aussie line, where the engines roar loud and the classics still shine. Bun burrito brew, every town on the map. It's a Holden celebration, mate, nothing beats that. Under stars by the coast, with a beer in hand, we talk about rebuilds with the crew and the band. And in every conversation, the truth is clear. Holden's heart is still beating, we keep it in gear. So here's to the Nationals, where legends roll free. To the FE, the FC, and the whole family. Australia, you've done us proud. With every rev and rumble, we shout it loud. Holden forever, down the white track, and we ain't ever looking back. the sun came up on a brand new day, and the Holdens rolled from miles away. From the East Coast cities to the red dirt tracks, they packed their bags, never looking back. There's chrome so bright you gotta squint to see, paint like candy, driving history, old school pride in every wheel, that FE and FC appeal. We're cruising west to Berkeley Way, across the Nullarbor all the way, from Tassie towns to Queensland plains. They hit the road through sun and rain, with engines humming sweet and strong. That Holden heartbeat rolls along. FE and FC, they set us free at the Nationals in 2025, you and me. They came in utes, sedans and more, each one with a tale of the road they wore. Families camped and kids ran wild, with Grandpa grinning like a child. Restored with love or rough and raw, every Holden's got a tale in store. There ain't no bond like this old steel. It's how Aussie legends make you feel. We're cruising west to Ordway, across the Nullarbor all the way, from Melbourne streets to outback dust. They rolled in strong with pride and trust, with Barbie smoke and campfire songs. We'll be talking cars all night long. FE and FC, they set us free at the Nationals in 2025, just you and me.
Well, the sun came up on a chrome-tipped day, with FE and FCs lined up on display. From mid-restorations to daily drives, the Holden spirit's where the real pride thrives. They came from the cities, the bush and coast, all here in the west to rep what they love most. Old school metal, that Aussie design, yeah, these classics still shine every time. It's the FE and FC Nationals rolling deep, where the paint jobs pop and the engines speak. If you're feeling that rumble, feeling that vibe, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Yeah, if you love the footage, love the show, hit that bell and let us know. Bonnets popped and the crowd's all round, cameras rolling while the wheels touch down. Bad cues cruising with that smooth pan sweep, capturing moments that you're gonna keep. Swap meat stalls and a sausage sizzle, winners grinning while the kids all giggle. It's a family scene with a fuel-fed car, and every car's got history in its roar. At the FE and FC Nationals, feel that pride, where legends gather and good times ride. So if you're smiling, watching this come alive, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. We're bringing you the story, chrome and clean, straight from the show to your phone screen. Tell us in the comments, where's your ride? What's your build? What's your next pride? Share the love, cause we're all one crew, from old school gray motors Here's to the Holdens, bold and true. To the fans, the friends, and the builders too. If you've enjoyed the vibes and the revved-up drive, make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. One more time for the ones who thrive at the FE and FC Nationals. Comment, like, and subscribe.
Alright, well that's a wrap. Hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Thumbs up and share it about if you can. Really appreciate your support as always. And yeah, hope you enjoyed it. And not a bad little turnout here. There's some very unique cars here, that's for sure. So let us know down in the comments what car you like the most, what you thought about it, and all the rest of it. Anyways, see you on the next video. See you guys.